Hello and welcome. Today I want to talk about this. This is an M18 to M12 adapter. I purchased this out of pure curiosity and I wanted to explore, really, is it any good? It's hard to know. Anyhow, first thing I probably need to explore is, because that's an 18 volt battery, what voltage is it putting out here? That's making me very curious. So this 18 volt battery, being fully charged near enough, is sitting around 20 volts. So 20 volts is coming out of the top of this pack, and you can see it's only connected to the positive and negative there. So I want to check what's coming out of this one. Have they done the voltage reduction? Or is it just like, you know, did they just connect it up? Which wouldn't be wise, I would say. 11.9 coming out the top, so that is a 12 volt. They've done a proper 12 volt adaptation with that. That's very good. It's good to see. All I have is this soldering iron that I use very regularly in my videos. And it takes the wee batteries, it also takes the batteries with the square bottom. This, you'll see this is a knockoff actually. You know. Anyway. I'll just rest my soldering iron and just see if it runs on it, you know. Oh well. Milwaukee still make them. Yeah. Let that heat up. That's working. Yeah. I think this could be a game changer for the old soldering iron, you know. It gives me unlimited amount of batteries, because I have plenty of M18 batteries. These wee ones don't last them very long if you're doing a lot of soldering. But yeah, I think it's a winner, you know. The only thing I would say about these, as with all these battery adapters, though they've done the voltage thing right in this, it can provide too much power to the M12 tool. And maybe there's not the same power regulation goes on that will come from your battery, but do you know what, I like this one. I'm going to put a link in the description to buy this on Amazon yourself. They're not very expensive in the big scale of things, and they open another battery platform. There are considered risks, over discharge and too much power going to your 12 volt tool. Not too much voltage to get the voltage right. But anyway, put the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.